how to remove the background of an image in Figma. To do this, I've prepared this photo here of a man with a clear distinction between him and the background, and you can see he has a lot of flowy hair, which will be a little bit tricky, but the algorithm should be able to fix that. If you want to find a portrait which you can try it out with, you can just go to your plugins and you can search for Unsplash. It's a very good library with lots of photos, like not just portraits, all kinds of stock images you can use. And here it is. I just went to portrait and found this one, so you can do the same. Okay, so the way we remove the background is we just select this and we go back to our plugins, and this time we want to look for Icons 8 background remover. You just type it into the plugins and then you want to click on it and choose remove background. And depending on the complexity of the image you've chosen, it should, if it's a simpler one with less hair, it should happen a lot faster, but in this case it might take a little bit longer because there's a lot of stray little hairs which are sticking out. But as you will see, it's doing a very good job at removing the background, even with complex structures like this. It could be fur if you're trying to remove the background from the image of an animal, or leaves on a tree, depending on what you're trying to do. Okay, so now that it's done, as you can see, it removed the background pretty well. Now you can just put something behind it. Let me just prove to you. Let me put this to the back. As you can see, the background is removed, and now you can put this image on whatever background you want. And that's it. That's how you remove the background from an image in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.